Hey Chris, how's it going? This is Eddie and I work with Boundless SEO, and yes, we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across to your company's website and decided to contact you. Thank you to your company, CYC Landscaping, for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I'm sure you're super busy. I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. It's a good website. The navigation is fairly simple. The links, every link seems to be working just fine. So overall, a good website. The first thing I want to go over is the content. That's basically anything that you can see on the front page of your website, and that's including your images. Please note that image optimization is an important aspect of your website in order to rank. So basically, it's saving your images as a keyword with relevant background description. So just keep in mind, you do need to optimize your images also in order to boost up in the rankings properly. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and the level of trust inside of Google. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting good quality keywords. And what I mean good quality keywords are pretty much words or phrases that users enter into search engines to find the services around your area. And just keep in mind, organically, do not stuff. So stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol is just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam if you don't follow protocol. Google algorithms search for more of a natural feel of a website. Just keep that in mind. Let's jump into arrows here real quick. This is a paid tool. Of course, here we'll view the back end of your website. You could, if you don't mind paying for it, of course, you could have this also, just to monitor what you have going behind the scenes. At this time, looks like you have 162 backlinks, 58 referring domains, 223 keywords, traffic 60. So in a monthly basis, you're getting approximately 60 people jumping onto your website organically. The DR is 13 and the UR meter 10. Good practice, FYI, is to have these two at a 1-to-1 ratio. This will give you that extra boost in order for you to rank higher in the search results. In other words, Google will give you a preference. The UR and DR rating is the power of the URL and domain. A way to increase these ratings is through backlinks and citations. A backlink is a shout out or a clickable link from another website. It's basically a website linking to your website with a URL or any link for that matter. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with the industry or services that you offer, this can actually hurt your website. So you really want to be careful on that. So that would fall under the backlink section here. You are at over 162 to be precise. The citation. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services, that's pretty much what a citation is. And again, that would fall under your 58. Increasing the two, getting those relevant backlinks and citation will increase the power here for the DR and UR. Currently, you are at 223 keywords. This is very important. You want to have those good quality keywords also. Let's jump into your competitors. So it looks like this company is getting all the attention. This is their website here. They do have good quality keywords. Not a lot of content, so that's good to keep in mind if you want to beat them. What they have going behind the scenes, though, they have 323 backlinks, 56 referring domains, over 2,000 keywords, and they're getting traffic on a monthly basis, over 1,000 people jumping onto the website. The DR 4.7, the UR 5, not at a 1-to-1 ratio. It is close, but really they're having, this is what they need to be in the first page of Google. This company is in the first page of Google, so they're getting all the attention. This is what I have for you, Chris, at this time. Hopefully this was very informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, please give me a call. If you're interested in our services, call me, text me, or shoot over an email. We're here for you. All right, Chris, take care. Bye-bye.